Yeah, so this is actually the third part of the video of the class. Actually, in the last two classes I have solved problems on uh, those who are new. For them, let me just give a revision first. What we were discussing, actually we were discussing the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, can you guys hear me? Am I audible? Yes. And whatever I am sharing, is it visible? Okay, fine. So it's coordinate geometry. Okay, so I had already explained basics, like the basic introduction part of this. Then we saw two formulae, distance formula and section formula, right? So these two has been covered, and we also solved some of the problems from LBA, lesson based assessment. Fine. So I thought of continuing that class where we had stopped. Okay, so just a quick revision. What is distance formula? Can you guys tell me? Distance between 2 points x1 and y1, x2 and y2. What is the formula?
Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square.
Okay, very good. This is distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Yeah. And what will be the distance from the origin to a point x comma y?
Root of x square plus y square.
Yes, root of x square plus y square. So we have already solved many problems on these two. Then we saw about section formula. Section formula is like when there is a line and it's been cut by a section, okay, by a point x comma y. So these 2 points, I'll name it as x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Let me call this as a, this as b. Okay, and this point is unknown. Okay, so I'll name it as x. Now to find x, we have a section formula. Okay, and a to x will be called as m1. It is ratio, and this is m2. So what is section formula? Can you guys tell me that? X comma y is equal to, I had already told a trick also. See, you just write m1 plus m2 both in the numerator and denominator. Okay, m1 plus m2 both in the numerator and denominator. And see here, x refers to this first value and y refers to this second value. So here I'll just replace, not replace, I'll write wherever 1 is there, I'll write 2 x2, and at place with m2 I will write x1. So this becomes one formula. Here same with y, this is y2 and here y1. So this becomes our formula. Okay, we call it as section formula. And if this point x, it is in the center, like middle of the line AB, then we use which formula? Yes, are you guys there? Midpoint formula. And what is that?
x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2.
Yes, very good. So I hope you all remember this. So only based on these four formulae, the whole chapter is there. Okay, so let us start. Do you guys remember where we stopped last time? Anyone? Till question number? Any old student? Okay. I think 2 marks questions has been solved, right? Was it solved? Yes, are you guys there? Please answer. Anyone remember? 31st, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 38 was also done. 39, 40, circle. 41. Okay. Yeah. So let us start with 41. Is it okay? Or has it been... Sorry. Have you solved this? Question number 41. No? Okay, fine. Then we'll start with this question only. Yes. Are you guys there? Can you see the screen? Please answer. Most of you are not responding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See. So now we'll start with 3 mark questions. Here the question is, find the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment AB in the given graph using formula. Okay. So they are asking find the ratio. So whenever you see ratio, it means you have to find M1 is to M2. Okay. Or M1 by
Okay,
M2.
sir.
Both are same. So using this graph, you need to find the values of here point A. So what will be A? If you look at carefully, it is X is 0 here and Y is 6. This is A. What about B? X is 3 here and Y is 0. Right? The first value is X and the second value is Y. So am I clear? Now point P. See, you know point P as well. If you look carefully, it is 2 comma 2. Right? So now if you can write a straight line, this is A, this side it is B, this is 0 comma 6, 3 comma 0, and point P here, it is 2 comma 2. We need to find M1 and M2. So which formula are you going to use here?
Section formula.
Exactly. So substitute. Let me solve this. If you are ready with your pen paper, you can also try and just tell me the answer.
Okay, sir.
M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, then M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So those who are new, see, first you should write here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. Okay, and xy is 2 comma 2. So I'll write here 2 comma 2. Substitute the values. M1 we don't know, but we know x2, it is 3 m1 plus m2 we know. What about x1? It is 0, so 0 m2. Again m1 plus m2, comma, here y2. Y2 is how much? It is again 0, so 0 into m1 plus, I'll write dot here so it will represent into. Y1 is 6 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now if I simplify this further, see, this becomes 3m1 and 0 into anything is 0, so I'll not write that. I'll write directly here m1 plus m2. Again this is 0, so remainder is 6m2 and here it is m1 plus m2. Okay, till here have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see, as we know, this both are same. Again here it's same, so I'll represent this 2 is equal to 3m1 divided by m1 plus m2. I'll take this to solve this equation, like to find the value of m1 and m2. Either you can replace x with this value or y with the second value. So I'm taking here first one. So if you do the cross multiplication, you get here 2 into m1 plus m2, 3m1 in RHS. So solve this. So this is 2m1 plus 2m2 equals to 3m1. Right. Now get m2 one side and m1 other side. So I'll bring this to RHS. So it's become 2m1. So 3 minus 2 is 1m1 and here it is 2m2. So I'll write here m1, bring this down m2. So here it's already 2. This comes to LHS, it's become 1. So answer is 2 is to 1. Got this? Have you all understood? Do you have any doubt in this? Okay,
No, sir.
chalo, fine. So these all are 3 marks questions. Okay. Now similarly, let me see if it is same or different. Question number 42. If you see in this figure, find the coordinates of point which divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. So again, they have given ratio. Whenever you see ratio, just use section formula. Okay. What is A here? The value of A, can anyone tell me? Just by looking at the graph.
2 comma 5.
Yes, it is 2 comma 5. Good. What about B?
2 comma
5 comma 2.
B, the value of B.
5 comma 2.
Coordinates.
5 comma 2.
Yes, it is 5 comma 2. Right? So A and B are given. And they have also given ratio M1, M2. So M1 is to M2 is 1 is to 2. Okay. This is X1, Y1. Again here X2, Y2. You need to find a coordinate which divides the line. Like on this line, there is a point anywhere. Let me take this as XY. So you need to find that XY. Got it? So can you try,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Can you try this and tell me the answer? I will also try it here. Others, try to write it on your book and see whether you are getting the answer or not. You should tell me the answer. I'll just verify it. Everyone, can you try? Okay, do it. Maths is all about practice. So while writing, write it in
Sir,
bracket.
3 comma 4.
3 comma 4. Okay, so one of you have got 3 comma 4. Others, can you try? X2 m1 plus m2 x1 1 plus 2. Yes, others, try and tell me the answer. Just one step, right? 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 divided by 3. 2 plus 10 divided by 3. So 9 by 3 and here it is 12 by 3. So 3 3s are 3 4s. This is the correct answer, right? Have you all got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you all have understood this. Such question can be asked. Earlier they used to give all the points and just by using formula one could have solved. But now they are giving figure also. And referring the figure you should identify the values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are solving all type of problem. Not only distance or section formula based. We will cover everything which is left out. Yeah, 43. Prove that point A, B, C, they are collinear using distance formula. So I think this problem we have already solved, right? Can anyone verify it? Have you solved or You want me to solve it here again if you have not done it? Have you know? Do you remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain this or is it fine? We'll go to the next.
Okay.
Okay, so those who don't know, see, whenever you get question like whether they are collinear or not, see, 43 and 44 both are given. Okay, here. So I'll just try to explain the concept. Okay, and you can solve it by yourself. If possible, we'll do the 43rd. You can try 44th. See, collinear means what? What do you mean by collinear? First, you should know that. Collinear means if points are in straight line, like the points are there, if we join them and they forms a straight line, we will call it as collinear. Got it? Now here they're asking prove that the points A, B and C, they are collinear. Okay, so how are you going to do this? Using distance formula. See, if this is A, this is B, this is C. If this is a straight line, imagine this is 2 centimeter, AB is 2 centimeter, BC is let me call it as 3 centimeter. So what should be AC? Can you tell me? What should be the length of AC? If AB is 2, BC is
Yes,
3.
sir. A
5
AB plus BC.
Yeah, how much it should be? If you just use common
5
sense.
5
5.
5 centimeter.
Yes, exactly. It should be 5.
5 centimeter.
Yes, it means AC should be equal to AB plus BC. If this condition is proved, then we can say A, B, C are collinear. Understood? Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so AB you need to find. AB you can find it using distance formula. Here, take this as x1, this is y1, this is x2, again y2. So if you use distance formula, you will get AB, right? You will get some value.
Yes, sir.
Now similarly, uh, you can find BC. You can take this as x1, y1, again this as x2, y2. It is up to you. Either you can take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Not a problem. So you'll get BC, right? AC, AB you'll get BC as well. And similarly, you have to find AC. So here you can take x1, y1 and this C as x2, y2. Now taking that two, you will get a formula, a value of AC, right? Now if you use this AC is equal to AB plus BC, if you add them and if you are getting the same values on both LHS as well as RHS, you can say the lines are, the points are collinear. Understood?
Okay, sir.
You can do it, right? Yes, are you guys there?
Sir, what if we get different values?
Yeah, if you are not getting same, then they are not collinear. Got it? If you get different values, then they are not collinear. Shall I solve this question or have you understood?
We have understood, sir.
Yes, everyone, you want me to solve this for you or you can try it by yourself? Please respond. Okay, then I don't know whether the thumbs up is for solve or move to the next question. So please answer it. Shall I move?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 44 is similar. Next, 45. Okay. And one more important thing. See, if you look at 43 and 44, the difference is quite visible in the question. Here they are asking prove that they are collinear. It means when you solve, you should get these as collinear points. Means it should be equal. AC should be equal to AB plus BC because they are asking prove that it is a collinear. But if you look at 45, sorry, here the question is verify whether they are collinear or not. So here you may get equal or not equal. So just by looking at the question heading, you can figure out what type of uh, question has been asked. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, fine. So now moving to 45th one. Let me see if this needs any detailed explanation or you can solve it easily. See, the question says again verify. Okay, so you may get or you may not get. Remember that. Verify what? The points 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are vertices of an isosceles triangle. So if I draw a roughly triangle here, if I name this as A, B and C, okay, A is 5 comma minus 2, B is 6 comma 4 and C is 7 comma minus 2. Now to prove whether it is a isosceles triangle or not, what is the condition for a triangle to be an isosceles triangle?
Two sides should
Two
be
sides
equal.
are
Yes, any two
Equal.
sides, any two sides, okay, either AB, BC or AC, BC or AB, AC, okay. Now which formula are you going to use, distance or section formula?
distance formula.
Distance.
Yes,
Distance formula.
so you can do this, right? No need for me to explain it, correct? You have understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Any two, use distance formula, take x1 y1 x2 y2, same over here, okay. If you get, then you can say yes, it is isosceles, or else no. Similarly, 46th one, the vertices of triangle are ABC, show that it is isosceles. See, they are asking here show that. It means you should get any two sides as equal. Understood the difference between verify and show that or prove that? Easy, right? Okay, so we'll move to the next question, question number 47. So this is little different. Let me see whether you can answer or not. The midpoint of a line segment joining the points A and B is 4 comma 3. Okay. Find the length of AB. Okay, this is also interesting. So we have A and B here. A is x comma 0 and B is 0 comma y, and midpoint they have given. I'll name it as M. It is 4 comma 3 and they are asking find the length of AB. Okay, very good. AB. So how are you going to solve this? Can anyone tell me? You need to find AB length, but we don't have the value of A and B. It's given as x comma 0, 0 comma y. But we have a different value that is midpoint. Yes.
Section formula.
First you have to use midpoint formula. See how, understand it one by one. x1 by x2, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, just substitute it. 4 comma 3 is equal to, this is x plus 0 by 2 and this is 0 plus y by 2. So 4 is equal to x by 2 and 3 is equal to y by 2. Right? Any doubt in this? So if you simplify, you get 4 to the 8. X is 8 and here y will be 3 to the 6. You got it, right? Now you have this length. A is 8 comma 0 and B is how much? 0, 0 comma 6. So if you use distance formula, you will get the answer, right? If I solve it directly, 8 minus 0 is 8 square, 0 minus 6 6 square. So it is, I guess, 64 plus 36, 100.
10,
So
sir.
10, you will get 10 units. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy, right? You can solve this question. So, are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the next set of question. Here the question is about find the coordinates of point of trisection. Yes, this is also important topic of coordinate geometry. Either they will give you collinear points, isosceles triangle, or this trisection, sometime rectangle or square. We'll come to that. But first, let us learn one by one. Here it is about trisection, correct? Yes, see. The question is, find the coordinates of point of trisection. Coordinates of the point of trisection of the line joining the points, these two. So we have a line segment. If I name it, this is A, this is B. This is 4 comma minus 1, and here it's minus 2 comma minus 3. Find the coordinates of point of trisection. So trisection means, see, there will be 2 points such that if you join, we are going to get 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. And distance, if I name this as P and this as Q, so distance between AP is 1, PQ is again 1, and QB again 1. Understood? So first you need to find the point P. So to find point P, coordinates of P, okay, see here, M1 will be 1 and M2 will be 2, because we are taking this one, AP and PB. Understood? Yes. Are you guys there? This is x1, this is y1. Here it is x2, y2. So P can be find out by using section formula. Everything we have, x1, y1, x2, y2, and m1, m2. You can get it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, to find Q, to find the coordinates of Q, can you tell me what will be m1 and what will be the other value m2? What is m1? See here,
2, sir.
exactly. M1 will be 2 and M2 will be 1.
One.
Got it? This is only the difference. Are you guys getting?
Yes, sir.
So whenever they give you trisection based question, just use this concept, and using section formula you get the answer. Fine. So there is no need of any explanation, right? You can do it.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. So question number 49, if you look, it's again find the coordinates of point of trisection. So similar question. You can try in same way. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as per them it is difficult, but if you try you will get the answer. If you have understood the concept, you can easily get the answer. Okay? Is it fine? Are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now moving to next set 50. We are just nearby. I think we are left with just 8 questions, I guess, 8 or 9. So we'll finish this chapter today. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please say
Yes, sir.
okay. Just a minute. So now they all will be similar type question. Okay, we'll solve them one by one. First 50. Find the ratio again in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by x-axis. Okay, good. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, so x-axis, if I draw roughly, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So there are 2 points. It can be anywhere, but it is passing through x-axis. Okay, it means what is the value of y on x-axis?
0.
0, exactly. So this is the value given by them, like xy is the section. Okay, if you are writing like this is A and this is B, this is 1 comma minus 5 and this is minus 4 comma 5. Okay, we need to find what? We need to find the ratio. We need to find m1 m2. Okay, and this value we have to understand. If they give it is divided by x-axis, x comma 0 you should write. If they give it is divided by y-axis, then 0 comma y you should write. Remember that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Now how to solve this? Again same, use section formula x1 y1 x2 y2. So using section formula, if I write x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, again m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So which value are you going to substitute, x or y?
Y.
Exactly, very good, because the value of y is 0, so you just need y. No need of writing x. Even if you don't write, you'll get the answer. So m1 into 5 plus m2 into minus 5 is equal to m1 plus m2. So substitute this with 0. So I'll get 5 m1 minus 5 m2 is equal to m1 into divided by m1 plus m2 equals to 0. So if you do cross multiplication, this denominators become 0 and we are going to get 5m1 minus 5m2 equals to 0. So 5m1 is equal to 5m2. Both this can be written as m1 by m2 equals to 5 by 5. If you simplify, you get 1 is to 1. So what is the answer? m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1. It means it is in the center, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the value of x? Now to find that, what you can do, use just midpoint formula, because it is middle term. It is the midpoint. So x can be written as 1 minus 4 by 2. So this will be minus 2 by minus 3 by 2. Answer will be minus 3 by 2 directly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we go to the next question? This is very very important question. Question number 51. This is there in your textbook as well. Most of the student don't practice exercise questions, but this is a question from exercise only, I guess. It's easy. Okay, so have you tried this earlier? Can anyone tell me how are you going to solve this? Yes, are you guys there? See here, understand the question first. Find the relation between x and y. So relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay, so there is a point x comma 1 if I write like this, and now these 2 points 3 comma 6, it can be anywhere. So let me write here 3 comma 6 over here, and the other point is minus 3 comma 4 this side. Okay, so we need relation between this x and y such that these 2 points are equidistant. Means if I name this as P, this as Q, this as R. So as per the question, PQ should be equal to PR. Understood? Yes. Are you guys
Yes,
getting?
sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the concept. Equidistant. So you need to find PQ first using distance formula, then PR using again distance formula. So I'll just do it. So let's find PQ first. PQ is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. So this is PQ. And now I'll write PR as well. PR is equal to root of x minus of minus 3 whole square plus this will be y minus 4 whole square. Got it? So these are PQ and PR. Now both should be equal. So just write here x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Both these roots will get cancelled, and if you expand here you will get x minus 3 whole square. So I'll use identity a minus b whole square. What is it? A square plus b square minus 2ab, correct? So I'll get it as a square plus 9 minus 6x, right? And y minus 6 I'll get it as a y square plus 6 square is 36, and this is minus 6 to the 12y. Similarly in RHS I get here x square plus 9 plus 6x, and this will be y square plus 16 minus 8y. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Just you have to equate, simplify. Next, what happens next? So remove the brackets and bring everything to LHS. X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36, and be careful with the sign, plus minus. This becomes minus, again minus, minus 6x minus y square minus 16 plus 8y equals to 0. Now see here, x square plus minus, it will get cancelled. Again y square plus minus, they will get cancelled. Right? Same with 9 plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled. Now minus 6 and minus 6, it is minus 12x. Again minus 12y plus 8y. So 12 minus 8 is minus 4y. Now 36 and 16. 36 minus 16 is, I think, how much? 20. So this is plus 20 equals to 0. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Now
sir.
throughout they all are there in the table of 4. So I'll divide it by minus 4. I'll get here 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are, and 4 minus 5. This is plus y. This is minus y equals to 0. So the relation is 3x plus y equals to 5. This is the relation between x and y. Understood? Any doubt? So this is very important
No, sir.
question. You just need to understand, write the distance formula, expand using a minus b whole square formula, and do proper calculation. You'll get the answer. Easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you have any doubt, please let me know. No doubt? Okay,
No doubt.
fine. So question number 52. It is again similar. See, the point P x y is equidistant from A and B. Find the relationship between x y. So this is first question. So you will get this. Similarly, you will get one equation like this. Now, next question is, if the points A, P are collinear, then find the coordinates of P. Okay, they are collinear. If I write here A, B, and P will come in the middle. Correct? You will get the value of A. How much is A? It is given as 7 comma 1. B is 3 comma 5, and P x comma y. You'll get the relation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but next question is, if they are collinear. So if they are collinear, it means what? AB is equal to AP plus PB, isn't it? Now, as per the data, these two are same. It means AP plus AP I can write because they are equidistant. So 2AP I can write. AB should be equal to 2AP, isn't it? Yes, are you guys getting?
In the question they have told, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, it is given no. See, question is me like the point P is equidistant from A and B. Equidistance from A and B. Correct, these two are equidistant. It means you can use directly midpoint formula also to find the value. Even instead of doing this, if it is equidistance, so it means what? It will be in the middle. Only then it will be equal, no? Are you getting? Use that concept. So 7 plus 3 by 2 and 1 plus 5 by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5 and 6 by 2 is 3. Directly you can get the answer. Correct? Have you understood what they are
Yes.
trying to ask?
Yes, sir.
P is the midpoint. How? Because it is equidistant from A and B. Means these two distances are equal. So if they are equal, it means this is in the middle. Middle means you can use section formula or midpoint formula. Section formula, if you are using, M1 and M2 will be 1 1 only. 1 is to 1. That's all. Got it? You should understand the concept.
Yes.
Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So shall we move to the next type?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So look at question number 53. What does it says? The coordinates of the three vertices of parallelogram A, B, C. They're given. Find the coordinates of fourth vertex. Okay. So even the diagram has been given here. So how are you going to solve this? Can anyone tell me? There are many ways to solve this, like using both distance formula as well as section formula.
Sir, we
Using
can use the property of parallelogram.
exactly, that is the main what we say frustum of this point. Sorry for the yeah. See, you know parallelograms. What are parallelograms?
Opposite sides are equal.
Exactly, opposite sides are equal. Correct. So
Yes.
as per them, they have given this is A, B, C, D. So as per the question, AB should be equal to CD and AD should be equal to BC or CD. Correct,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? But we don't know the value of XY. Okay, but if you substitute here using AB is equal to CD, distance formula, you are going to get the value both XY. You can substitute this with this. Similarly, AD and CB, if you equate, you'll get another equation. Two equation you will get in the form of XY. So you can use linear equation concept and solve it. That is one method. And the other method which I feel easy is, see, simple. Use these diagonals. They have given diagonals as well. So parallelogram diagonals, they bisect each other, right? Means these diagonals, what are diagonals here? The ratio remains same, like they will form the middle point of this. So using A and C, can I find this midpoint? 9 by 2 and 7 by 2 it will become, correct? If I write here 9 by 2, 7 by 2, are you guys getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, using A and C, using the midpoint, I'll get the middle point of this section. Now using B and D, we already have X and Y here in the midpoint. Can't we get XY? Okay, I'll solve this here. See, so let's find the midpoint n. So it is 1 plus 8 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. So I'll get it as 9 by 2. Don't write it in decimal form, just write it in fraction. This is midpoint. Now finding midpoint using BD. So same midpoint is, we have the value now, 9 comma 2, 9 by 2 comma 7 by 2 is equal to x plus 2 by 2 and y plus 3 by 2, right? Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
So just substitute this with x. So 9 by 2 is equal to x plus 2 by 2 comma 7 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by 2. So denominator gets cancelled, you will get x is equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7. And here again denominator gets cancelled, y you will get 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4 and here 9 minus 2. So you'll get easily. This is easy, right? So the coordinates of D are 7 comma 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So use this method only. Don't go for distance. That will be too difficult. Right. Using this concept, midpoint concept, just in 2 steps you will get the answer. But in exam, write the formula as well. Don't directly write the answer as I have written here. I'm explaining and writing. But in exam, you should write the formula, then you should go the steps. Understood?
Okay, sir.
You can try now. Yes. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, now look at 54. It's the same. 54 and 55. Both of these are similar to the previous question. Again, A, B, C, D is given. Find the value of each one. So one data, if you look, A and D is given. Using that, you find midpoint. Now using midpoint, you can find AC. Correct? Yes. Can you do it? Are you there, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you want me to explain or you can try by yourself? You can try now.
We will do later.
Okay, try it now, everyone. Solve it and tell me the answer. See how much you're getting. If I just do mind calculation, 4 plus 7 by 2, I get 24. Okay, I will also try here. Instead of so midpoint, this point will be 3, 7 by 2 and 8. This will be 4. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and y plus 6 by 2 is equal to 4. So if I simplify, I'll get 7 as 6, x as 6 and y as 4 to 8 minus 6 2. It will be 6 comma 2, correct? Yes, it's very easy, just mind calculation. If you have understood, solve. Similarly, 55th question. Can anyone tell me directly? Just use your brain and tell me the answer for 55. Same concept. First, tell me what will be the midpoints.
2 comma 2.
Exactly. Very good. 2 comma 2. Now substitute x plus 7 by 2 is equal to. So I think it is minus 3 and y plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So something like uh, minus 3 comma 4. Check it. You all are trying now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are trying.
Yes. Tell me the answer of x and y, please. Yes. Got it. Fast, fast. Should be very fast. Okay, let me see. Let me
Sir,
also.
X is 1, Y is 6.
1
This
comma
is
6.
okay. So this was 2 comma 2, and then x plus 7 by 2 equals to 2, and 2 plus y by 2 equals to 3. So x plus 7 is equal to 4. So x is 4 minus 7. It will be minus 3 no. And y will be 6 minus 2. It will be 4.
Sir, the midpoint will not be 2 comma 2, I guess. Because 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by 2 is
4.
4.
4, right? Okay, yeah, yeah. It is 4 comma 4. Very good. Okay, 5 plus 3, 4. Yeah, 4 comma 4. So this is 4. Again, here it is x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 4 and 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 4. So x is 8 minus, this is 8. 8 minus 7. Yeah, correct. It is 1. And here it is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So it is 1 comma 6. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the value of not 1 comma 6. You should write separately. X is 1 and y is 6. Correct? Easy, no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you all can try. Now we are left with I think 1 or 2 questions, 3 questions only, and they have asked this in the exam. See, April 2019. They have mentioned it as difficult, but it's easy. I'll just explain one. and the rest two, both of them are easy. Okay, so this is easier one, so let me explain this first. Prove that the points are vertices of a square. So vertices of a square means all sides should be
Equal.
equal. First case. Second case, the diagonals must also be equal.
Equal.
So you have to use 6 time distance formula: AB, BC, CD, AD, and AC, DB. Got it? Using that you can do this. So no need of me to explain it in detail. I think you have understood this, right? It's average question, not difficult one. But above this, there are two questions similar type. See, I will try to explain. Ready, guys? Shall I explain it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see what they've given. The vertices of triangle A, B, and C are given here, and M and N are midpoint of AC and AC, AB and AC respectively. Prove that 2MN is equal to BC. Okay. So as per them, we have here A, B, and this side AC. Here M is midpoint, this side N is midpoint. So first you use midpoint and find the value of Mn. So if I do directly here, see 3 minus 1. So minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, and 2 4 minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So I got the value of n using midpoint. For n, use the same concept: minus 3 and 5 is 2. 2 comma 2 is 1, and 2 plus 2 4 by 2 is 2. So these are the values of Mn. Got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
First you have to find Mn, M separately, N separately using midpoint formula. Understood? Now
Yes,
you have
sir.
to find Mn, distance Mn, using distance formula. You'll get some units. Understood? Like this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So use the distance formula, you'll get the value of Mn. Then you have to find BC using again distance formula. Understood? So you'll get some units again. Now equate in the given question. 2Mn is equal to BC. So 2 into whatever Mn you get, substitute here. Whatever BC you get, substitute. If you solve, you should get both LHS and RHS same. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it's easy. You can try it. Okay? You can do it, right? Yes. Similarly, this question. Again, A, B, C they are given. E and F are midpoints. So same, use midpoint formula. Find E separately, F separately. Then EF distance formula. Then BC again distance formula. Substitute in this equation. You will get it. You can do it now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are exactly, we are pointed up on track. So thank you everyone for joining the class. I hope it was useful and you have understood all the topics which we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so soon I'll be uploading this video on my YouTube channel. I hope you know the name, Sajid Academy. You can like it, give a comment there, and share it with the classmates of your school or with some other school. Let them also learn and practice them. Fine?
Okay, sir.